morning, guys. Welcome back to Red River Living. This morning we're out doing our chores and the things that has to get done around the house today. So y'all come with us and just kind of see what we're up to today. First thing we got to get done, we got to get these chickens out running around. Look at y'all. Boy, y'all look like y'all ready to go. I didn't get up with the sun this morning now, did I? This right here is what they all waiting on right here. I don't know what it is about this scratch right now, but they are really enjoying this scratch. Morning, Bella. Morning. Good morning. Good morning. I know your brother's down here, ain't he? He ain't getting no food though. He acts like he's getting fed down here. Bella, you got to defend your food or he's going to eat your food. Come here, Bella. Come here. Back up, Thor. Thor. Bella, come here. Come on, Thor. Thor, here, here. Thor. Come on, come on. Big old headed dog. Baby, you gotta wait. You gotta wait. Hold it. Hey, hold up, hold up. Well, guys, as you can see, we're up here on the hillside. We are supplementing our feed right now with the cows. We have gotten extremely dry here in North Texas, which everybody knows that. Everybody's talking about how hot it is, and it is hot. We're setting records here that, you know, we haven't seen in a long time. I was talking to somebody, it's been 10 years since we've seen this kind of a heat wave, but anyway, our grass is going in a hurry, so I started supplementing their feed. I'm giving them a 20% cube right now, just trying to, hey, keep them healthy. What we're going to do here is I've moved them back here to the back, to the shade. We've got water here for them, and we'll shut them up back here on the back side today, and we'll show y'all where we're putting them out on the front pasture. We had saved some grass for hay, and we've just run out of grass, and we're going to look at buying our hay this year. We've baled some hay, but we're going to need to buy some more. So we're looking into getting some hay brought into us and go ahead and sacrificing the hay pasture up front so they've got something to eat. As you can tell, the calves are growing and getting bigger. I just can't convince the calves to let me scratch them on the head yet. They're curious, but I think I'm going to have to get me some sweet feed back here and go to feeding them a little bit and calm them down. Well, as y'all look behind me right here, you can see that we have our neighbor's bull over here with us. If y'all will remember back in some of our videos, we had a steer that kept getting out all the time, and we named him Houdini. Well, you know, as y'all know, he went off to the butcher. Well, the neighbor's bull here started coming through the fence, and so he got Houdini number 2 right here. This year, we managed to get the gate open. We looked out front on the front pasture here, and he was pawing the ground and pressed up against the fence, and one of our heifers that didn't take last year was down there with him. And anyway, the next day, Jeff and I got out, and we got him moved and got him through the gate. He didn't come over the fence or through the fence, but anyway, he's been named Houdini number 2, so he's kind of got that name, and he's come over and joined us, and he's got him a few girlfriends over here on this side of the fence now. Well, guys, we're down here at the water trough. As you can tell, looking back here to my left, this water trough was set up before we bought this property, and it was actually set up on a spring, and it naturally stayed full. We've gotten into this drought now, and we have really dried out to the point that the spring is not flowing anymore. We got baby done showed up. They done gone up there and ate all that feed, and they still wanting more. They spoiled rotten is what they are. So what we've done is up there at the house, I've hooked a water hose up, and we've ran about 500 feet of water hose down here to this cattle trough. This is so they've got water down here in this bottom. So I just have to come down here and check it and make sure that the cows hadn't, for whatever reason, they find some way to pull on this water hose. But we're going to have to get it turned back on and get this filled up so I have some water down here today. Baby, what you doing? Got them flies on you. I might get out here and spray you for some flies. I ain't no girl. I'm about to spray you. You want me to bring you some okra back? Huh? Keela was feeding somebody some okra the other day. Do you want some okra? Them flies is wearing you out, ain't they, girl? Huh? The flies wearing you out, baby? I sure was hoping that her calf was gonna be like she is. She's just really gentle. I think me putting them air tags in will make them calves a little skittish. Well, guys, as you can see, they're about to wrap up eating here their feed. We're going to try to get the gate shut so they'll stay here in this bottom down here in the shade for them today. Guys, as always, we appreciate y'all watching our videos, and we'd appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. We'll see y'all
next time.
Guys, as always, we appreciate y'all watching our videos. We'd appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. We'll see y'all next time.